Nag-live siya. Ayaw lang pag-open siyang live. Ay, sa mag-open. Ay, pag-open lang din. Dahil ka muli. Like dyan para malike ko na.
We can speak English and Filipino.
Why did that mark on your face appear red? You still owe me
Guys, please subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe.
Germana Bell!
Germana Bell. Basta ay, may pagdaw mag-Germana Bell. Basta
Please subscribe! Germana Bell! Masama ba? Ang ganda mo! Hello guys! Please subscribe! Germana Bell!
Why did that mark on your face?
Germana Bell!
Wow, thank you so much. Make a wish. Wait, how do you read it? What's your first choice for a name? You still owe me $5 for.
it's 11 o'clock in the morning.
This is May.
Yan na lang sa ano.
Guys, don't forget
The bestest
to subscribe.
My friend Jima can do the shorter strips, but not the tall ones. I can, but in banana tree I can. I'm not because I'm not a monkey. I don't have sharp nails. I have a sharp teeth, but I don't have the sharp nail.
I know.
I can't. I really can't. Sorry.
Please subscribe.
I'm so sorry. Gerwin Bell. Gerwin Bell. Masama ba? Guys, please subscribe. Gerwin Bell. Masama ba?
Tell Jen I bought her fresh hot dogs from India.
Oh, that's so
That's tall.
that's
long.
That's all.
Long. I know. Sorry. That's long
Sorry.
hot dogs. Oh. That's so yummy, Rumbo.
That's so yummy, Rumbo.
That's so very long.
That's so very long. A
Long
long
and cheesy.
time ago.
Long and cheesy. Like a Virginia hot dog. Hi, Robbie! Shout out to you, Robbie.
Robbie Domingo, ikaw yan?
Ha?
Si Robbie Domingo.
Robbie.
Robbie din.
Rabis.
Rabis.
Oh, bari lagi kita. 2. 4 likes. 2
4 likes niya. Ganin lang akong live.
Wala na kagabi, no?
130 na. 100.
You need sharp toenails to hold it, not just in the twist. But I don't have. Because I'm not a monkey. Sorry. I can.
Good morning. Theodore, Mustaine. Good morning.
Ako sa Facebook magdo kay ko ano rin kana isa.
5 billion viewers lang.
Dimek.
Shout out.
Ano na
I will.
day siya bonuses kani.
Sige.
Wala rin wala pa. Wala pa ko naka.
Nakalak ko dahil. Same sa ko. Kuan pa ko, star pa ko.
Start ko na ko nakalang.
Wait guys, wait. May pera na sila lang.
Ha? Mabait yan si Ate Maria. Oo. Binisit ko yung live niya tapos nag-drop ako ng link tapos ito nag-ano siya ano siya dito nag-visit siya sa ano ko sa channel ko.
And it's not circumcised.
It's episode of TikTok.
That's good.
I don't like TikTok.
Walay tuli.
Literally.
I got you one too.
Indian hot dog are not circumcised. I don't like it. Like Rambo's hot dog. Like, right, Rambo? Rambo's hot dog.
Hi, Greg. How are you?
Rambo's hot dog is not circumcised too.
We're going
Circumstances. You're not circumstances. I don't like not circumstances.
How are you, Fred?
Ilang araw na kasi nakatagigising ako.
Don't you
Long
ever
time
buy
no
me
see,
an
Greg.
Indian hot
I
dog.
long time no chat, Greg.
Busy talaga ako lately.
Where have you been? I've been looking for you for so long.
Very helpful yung sahod nun sa YT binigay sa charity nagpapa-games din.